Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I will be unboxing the AOC ergonomic monitor arm. If you guys know that in my channel I usually unbox AOC monitors and review them, and after a very long wait they finally released this arm. And not just this is a single one, but we also have a dual arm which we'll be doing another video, and the model number of this is AM400. So let's unbox this and see what do we have inside. So we have a user manual in a lot of languages. This have a lot of features. It's not like your regular arm. The solid quality and a lot of other things we will talk about. So let's take out the arm itself. Ooh. So this one have this plus minus. I think this is the weight adjustment thing. We will check this out as well. And this is one solid looking arm and it looks very good. Then we have some screws and Allen key. Alright, so this is the mount. So let's put this here. Cool. I like the matte finish on this. This is very nice. And then we have clamp, the table clamp. Also there's a warranty for it, so which is also a good thing. Alright, so let's follow some instructions here. So they are in different languages. So we have everything on the top in English and other languages. So they have talked about its specification, technical specifications, how all the weight and everything. We will be talking about this in detail. So step 1, step 2, and to follow the rest of these steps from here. Okay, let me show you guys how to set this up. Alright guys, so our monitor is here already. First thing first, what we need to do, we need to take this mount and we need to put this into the table. And then you need this tray which comes with it, and just put it under it. Just put that tray and we need to screw this based on your own preference how much tight you want, but I would like it to be tight so it will stay steady and it will not go anywhere. It looks good. After this is the monitor bracket which we need to put it. Our monitor is here, so let's put that. But one of the best part of the AOC monitors, their arms can come out so easily. So what we need to do, we need to put this and then it will fit perfectly, and then we have to screw this up. So let me do that first. Alright, so very easy to screw all these thumb screws. There's no need of screwdriver or anything. I like this part about it, so it's very easy. Let me put this here. So the next step we need to take this arm and we have to put this here. Alright, so the second thing is we need to put the upper arm. And we are good to go. Oh, nice. So here is the part where you can do the adjustment, how tight you want or how loose you want it to be. Alright, so the last part, be careful with your monitor and you need to put your monitor, just slide it in just like that. So let me go to the other side. Alright, look at this. This is so cool. You can move it anywhere you want. Wow, so much deck space. Okay, so if I want to keep my monitor somewhere around here, usually, so I can just make it tight here. Okay, so just like that, you can make it tight as much as you want. Then the range of motion. So for example, I can bring it up, I can bring it down, I can move it around here, there. This is the best part, because when we are working, like I want to show to my colleagues that, okay, look, this is what I'm working on. So I can just, it's so light. It's like so good, so easy to move around. A magical thing is this. Can make it portrait as well. Another crazy feature of this arm which you might be seeing here, oh wow, so nice, this spring, this indicator, this one is actually for your tension, how much tension you want. This plus minus, where earlier I was adjusting it when I was setting up the monitor, you can actually put like plus or minus, and then when you will go towards the side, the spring moves accordingly. If it's going backwards, it shows the minus, that you are reducing the tension of it, or you are making it harder. So this one comes in very handy when you have different sizes of monitors or different weights of the monitor, and you can see exactly where you adjust it. So thumbs up for that. The AM400 is VESA mount compatible for two sizings, 100 by 100 millimeters or 75 by 75 millimeter. It also have the mounting capabilities of both clamp approach and grommet approach. The weight capacity of this arm is 2 to 9 kg and it fits monitor screen sizes from from 17-inch up to 34-inch. The spring mechanism makes the arm durable enough to withstand up to 30,000 cycles from AOC's motion tests. The optimized tilting structure helps to prevent the display from bowing, especially if it's a heavy monitor. The full range of motion that this arm can provide ranges from a max lift range of 250 mm, a max extension of 455 mm, and full 360-degree swivel on both the base and the upper arm. The monitor bracket of the arm has a swivel of -90° to +90°, a tilt range of -15° to 90°, and a rotation of 360 degrees. Here are the exact dimensions of this arm that you can refer to if you want to plan your desk space properly. The cable management on the lower arm and the upper arm under it both have provided the space to put your cables nicely and manage them, and it will look very neat and clean and without coming into your way as well. Having a monitor arm helps you clear up a lot of desk space that a monitor stand takes up, and the extended freedom of this monitor placement helps to improve your work and gaming efficiency by placing your display at the right place. To top it off, the AM400 allows you to rotate your monitor to a vertical orientation. This is especially useful if you are doing things like coding or looking at your chat while streaming. This arm comes in two different colors, black and gray. We are using the black one to go with our setup. Alright guys, so I hope I have covered most of the amazing features of this amazing arm. If you guys have any comments or you want to know more about it, do let me know in the comment section below. If you guys have enjoyed the video, don't forget to drop a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for all the upcoming videos. So until then, take care. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.